Here we have a stock PX150E 1985. The only thing I've done here is put the new CDI box on, spark plug boot, but this should be all stock. I cannot get an idle out of this, so I'm going to open this up, see what's going on, and we'll go from there. I'm thinking right now I'm going to put a VMC 177 on it. Take weld up the cases, machine them, fit a VMC 177 with a 24mm SI carb, and we'll go a ceramic coated Polini box. It's a pretty rusty exhaust there. I've never opened up a 1985 PX150. Never have. Never worked on one. So I guess that part of it's foreign, but working on P and PX engines are not. So we'll see what we have. Just got the exhaust off this PX150E. This thing has been cut out, welded all over. This thing is dead. So this one goes in the recycle bin. Alright guys, just pulled the PX150E out of the bike. Took off the flywheel shroud, took off the cylinder shroud, and did notice that the output shaft nut is very difficult to get off. So I'm going to heat that up a little bit with some oxyacetylene heat. Put a wrench on that. See if we can get that off. Yep. Alright, just stripped down the engine, and while there's a lot to be replaced on it, there is one crucial area that has been damaged and they try to repair it. This area here has been welded. And on top of that, there is a crack in the case that goes across the bearing seat. Let me show you from the other side here. This area right here has been welded. Right there. So something has happened here. Something has happened to this case where they've gone in there and attempted to repair. When I took the seal out, it wasn't only just the seal, but they used some type of liquid sealant too to try to keep that in place there. Now, here's the question. Why did the top end soft seize? The piston was obviously rough all the way around. Why did it soft seize? Did it soft seize because of a lubrication problem? Maybe. Did it soft seize because of an air leak? I mean, I don't know. That repair, you wouldn't repair these cases, you just buy new ones. In fact, that's what I'm going to do. But to repair that correctly, just the setup time, rewelding it and the setup time to do that is really going to prohibit you from repairing this case. It's just not worth it. Here's the motor mounts on this. You can see just how far tweaked those are. Those are not centered at all. This engine would take new motor mounts. But I mean, other than that, the cases are okay. I didn't see anything else on the case that looked like it was in bad shape. So what I'm going to do, these are going to go to the recycle bin, unfortunately. It's just not worth it. Who knows? You might be able to put a seal in there and also use some liquid sealant. That might get you down the road. It might not. I mean, who knows? Who really knows? So what I'm going to do, these are going to go to the recycle bin, like I said. I'm going to go with a brand new set of Melosi cases, P150, with the rotary valve. I'll do a video of that. That's going to be Melosi cases, probably BGM touring crank, 57 millimeter, VMC 177 top end. Go with a 24 millimeter carb, Polini box. Gearing is going to be 23 at the clutch cog, 65 at the planetary. I'm the primary on the cush. So this is already a 65 here. That's what I'm going to work with. I've got this Penasco 6-spring clutch. This is brand new. It's got a 23 tooth clutch drive. So that's going to be the setup. Nothing too wild, but I'll do a video of building it.